LIOS Lu 2, Troubleshooting, Fixing Power Issues. Experiencing power issues with your LIOS Lu 2 can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix these problems. Follow the steps below to ensure your device is up and running smoothly. Checking connections. First, inspect all power connections to the device. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into the wall socket. Verify that the other end is firmly connected to the LIOS Lu 2. Ensure the power outlet is functioning. Check for any visible damage to the power cord. Confirm the power switch is in the on position. If the connections appear fine, move on to the next step. Resetting the device. Sometimes, a simple reset can fix many issues. Follow these steps to reset your LIOS Lu 2. 1. Unplug the device from the power source. 2. Wait for at least 30 seconds. 3. Plug the device back in and turn it on. If the device powers up, you have successfully resolved the issue. If not, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.
Hope this video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video.